Yes, so that's why Jamie. What is there? My 2-in-1 celebration that is coming up on the 1st of May 2024 at Providence Event Center, Nilu Abeokuta, is going on a top-notch international level. Nobel Entertainment Canada, they've officially confirmed that they are traveling down to Nigeria to package the event so that I meet the standard at the taste. You know, royalty, celebrity status. Every level. Gbàgbọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ mélòó ni mo fẹ́ máa sọ tí máa parọ́? Ó yẹ gbọ́ fúnra yín.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Mary Temitope Lawal.
This is Shani.
Together,
We are Lobel Entertainment.
guess what?
Lobel Entertainment is coming all the way from Canada.
For Yọmi Fabiyi housewarming and the birthday party, the Kojilono.
Lobel Entertainment, your event is.
Ẹ ti gbọ́ báyà bí? Ẹ máa gbà mí gbọ́. I want to say thank you to everybody that is doing one or two things to make my day a memorable one. Ní tí wọ́n máa pẹ́ra wá sí náà nìyẹn. Thank you so much. I love and appreciate you all.